Welcome to week number 5 of the course and the second of our library modules. In this library module, we're going to be looking at ways to find articles, and scholarly articles in particular, in the library's databases. There are a couple of concepts that we need to unpack before we really get started. The first is the idea of the scholarly or peer-reviewed article. This particular type of article is written by academics, researchers, professors, sometimes students. And the idea behind these articles is that they're relaying some very recent research in whatever specialized field of study, whether it be rhetoric, politics, biology, physics, for example. They've all gone through a process which is known as peer review. Which is explained in further depth in the first videos and handouts for this lesson. The basic idea here, though, is that these articles have gone through a rigorous review process where they are fact-checked by other experts in whatever field of study that the article is about. So they're trusted resources. And that's why professors often stress the need for these scholarly articles when doing your research at the college level. Popular articles, on the other hand, are resources that you would find in magazines, a newspaper, or a blog online. Popular articles will typically be much shorter than scholarly articles. They won't have as many references and typically haven't gone through the same rigorous verification process, although quality journalism will have fairly demanding standards. Still, popular sources tend to be simpler. They're more casual reading than scholarly articles. Now, the place that you'll actually be finding these scholarly articles are going to be known as databases. Database is just a collection of resources, often, articles and other sources like ebooks, videos, statistics, things like that. So yeah, just a collection of resources. And this week, we'll be having you look into a few different databases to find 5 scholarly articles for your annotated bibliography assignment. Again, you'll find a few videos and handouts in this lesson focused on how to navigate a few of the different databases that we have available to you here through the library. Database searches, they also tend to be a little trickier than searches on Google. So the material can help you navigate some of those advanced options. You might also be wondering, well, why not just find those articles right on Google? And again, Google is great for popular articles, but many scholarly articles can only be found in the databases. And that's because research and scholarly articles often cost a lot of money. And so the library pays for subscriptions to these databases in order to give you access to all of that quality research and information. So yeah, as you save links for your research from the databases, you'll also want to pay attention to the final section on permalinks or stable URLs or get links, which can be essential to actually saving the research that you find in the databases. So yeah, take a look at all of that content and contact me as soon as possible if you have any questions. After viewing all the material for this week's lesson, you'll be finding those 5 scholarly articles which are going to relate to your chosen topic, and then you're going to provide those permalinks along with that one sentence annotation in your annotated bibliography document assignment on Google Docs. So again, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.